Hi, my name's Carl Southwell. I run Startup Street. We use Cybility's services or consultancy to help us with running our Skills Bootcamp. They're an essential part of it, and they provided all of the cyber training to a group of startups in Worthing and Brighton. The problem or the project that Cybility supported us with was that we wanted to run the bootcamp with half of the program focused on early stage business cyber safety and the other half on business development. So they put together a tailored program which included all of their great gamification, engagement and activities that really brought it to life for the startups. So we worked on it together beforehand, a few draft runs, and now we've delivered two successfully in Brighton and Worthing. They put together a bespoke program that fitted the profile of the startups that Startup Street was supporting. I wouldn't say it was a light bulb moment for me, but I could see the light bulb moments happening during the sessions for the startups where, there was moments of realization for them about the practicalities of things that they didn't have in place, but also how they could use it to actually gain customers and build more levels of trust in their early stages of their business. So I definitely saw quite a lot of those taking place throughout. But it was good because they were learning and then being able to sort of almost implement there and then the things that they wanted to put in place. Yeah, my experience with working with Cybility is obviously based around supporting early stage startups. And I'd say that they really care about trying to put the right program together and delivering something of value and that could be implemented. You'll want to work with these guys because you know that they really do care about the outcomes of the learners, and it's not just delivered as a training program. It's like, okay, how is this put into place beyond the training? Nice people to work with, always in contact, always up for trying new things and learning, and also providing as much support as they can.